Do you know many people are having trouble with understanding the hand wash program on their Beko washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Design for woolens. The hand wash program on the Beko WTK62051W is designed for woolen and delicate laundry. Step 2. Runs at safe temp. It runs at a temperature suitable for woolen and delicate fabrics, ensuring safe washing. Step 3. Varies in duration. The duration varies but typically runs for a moderate amount of time to ensure thorough cleaning. Step 4. Balances efficiency. The machine maintains a balance between washing efficiency and fabric care during the hand wash program. Step 5. Cleans with care. Your woolen and delicate items will be cleaned with care and precision, preserving their quality. Now you know how to use the hand wash program on your Beko WTK62051W to safely clean woolen and delicate items. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Beko users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.